back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to get 2 tails in Animatronic World, so let's get started. First you will need the fox morph if you're doing that. So grab the fox morph and then you want to go over to the customization and you want to get the big tail. Oh wait. Oh no. I got the boy morph, not the girl morph. Okay, let me redo that. I'll be right back. Okay, we're having a little difficulties. Okay, grab the wolf morph of your choice and get the big tail. And there you go, you have 2 tails. You can color yourself if you want. Let me just grab a few more stuff. And I got the fluffy tail because it's really fluffy. So now I'm going to get eyelashes. Excuse me. Okay, now I'm going to go color my character. Okay, in a second though. I'm not really worried about the eyes. I'm just going to do something really funny. Let's get like a nice shade of, I don't know, whitish gray. Well, that's a little too dark, but it's fine. I'll let him or her go first. Okay. We're not in the rush to get the customization done, but now that we have the 2 tails, you can just customize yourself. I'm going to be really funny. Okay. Look at this, this is funny. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, and if you are new, hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Click the bell for future notifications, and have a good day, and bye-bye!